Episode 0. I'm starting a series of educational YouTube videos / selected problems. Every episode of is focused on one problem. I will explain how to solve this problem and talk about some related concepts. The idea is to show off some cool concepts using real problems. Just like in this video, drawings will be prepared beforehand. The kicker: the problem is made public at least a week before the episode airs, so you can use as a source of problems. I will try to choose nice problems that highlight some ideas and problems that I consider beautiful. I am planning to do an episode every day. I might have to scale down later, but right now I am excited. These videos will be much more scripted compared to my screencasts. First week of problems is already available. The first episode will air on 8th of March. You can also join discussion channels for in Discord and check out Umnik World, a Notion space for anything related to me. It is still in development, but there are interesting things there already. All links are in the description, and thanks for watching.